painting is a fake. It's a fake. That's why Woodbridge and Cairns were killed. Oh, come on, proving it's just a detail. The painting is a fake. I've solved it. I figured it out. It's a fake. That's the answer. That's why they were killed. Okay, I'll prove it. Give me time. Will you give me time?
10.
It's a kid. Oh, God, it's a kid.
What did he say?
10.
9.
It's countdown. It's giving me time.
Jesus.
It's a fake. How can I prove it? How?
8.
This kid will die. Tell me why the painting is a fake. Tell me!
7.
No, shut up. Don't say anything. Only works if I figure it out. Must be possible. I must be staring me in the face.
6.
But how?
5.
Speeding up.
Sharp.
Oh, on the planetarium, you heard it too. Oh, that is brilliant. That is gorgeous.
3.
What's brilliant? What is?
It's beautiful. Marvelous.
2.
Sherlock! The Van Buren supernova.
Please, there's somebody there. Somebody help me.
There you go. Go find out where he is and pick him up. Van Buren supernova. So called. Exploding star only appeared in the sky in 1858.
So how could it have been painted in the 1640s?